Devon, why do you always do all of your videos in a white t-shirt with your hat on backwards? Right? And I guess we can also add to that question, although this was not asked, I'm going to go ahead and add it in there. Why do I always do my leg flip thing that you just saw me do? And why do I always snap my fingers like this? Right? So here's the first answer to the question. Why do I wear my white t-shirt and my hat on backwards? The short answer to the question is because this is what I wear to work every day. Right? This is what I wear to work every day because this is where I work. I'm a home business entrepreneur. I work from home, and this is what I wear to work. That's the short answer to the question. But the bigger answer to the question has to do with two words. And these two words are critical to you building a relationship with your followers, to you being able to not only build a relationship, but hold some type of influence over those who follow you. And the two words are A, congruency, and B, authenticity. Okay? So CNA, not TNA, CNA. Congruency and authenticity. Okay? So, I actually, believe it or not, one time I did a video, this was several years ago, I did a video in a gray t-shirt. I've been doing videos in my white t-shirt for forever, and then all my white t-shirts were dirty, so I did a video in a gray t-shirt, and I actually had people mad at me. They were actually commenting, back when I used to put these videos on my blog, they would say, Devon, what happened to your white t-shirt? What's up with the gray? And that was the first thing I realized was that, oh my gosh, I need to stay congruent. I had never intended on doing this. This is just what I wear to work, and so I make videos in it. But the second I deviated from that, after doing it the same way for months and months and months and months, I broke congruency, and they noticed it. So I was like, oh, okay, well, crap, I got to stay congruent, right, and not be all over the place, right? So that's the first thing. But the second thing is authenticity, right? There is no entrepreneur's handbook that says you have to do videos a certain way, right? It doesn't exist. So for me to get dressed up in a suit and tie because I think it's professional would not be authentic, right? There are marketers out there who do videos with a lot of cuss words and have a certain swag to them, and that's great if that's authentic, right? If that's them. But for me